I can see you are fine. Now I'll ask you one question like that. You go ahead.
Okay.
Like you and your father, your mother, your sister, everyone, your siblings, your family, people are inside one room like that, and 100 million naira cash is inside there with these people, and the house catch fire. Who will you rescue? Who will you save?
You said how much is there?
100 million naira cash.
Money.
Money. No
Money.
You didn't understand me. I said like you, your mother, your father. I mean your family, your sisters. If people are inside the room, and 100 million naira cash inside here, and the house catch fire. Who will you save? Who will you rescue?
Money.
You will save money.
Money.
Jesus! Jesus! Hey!